Poor thing, he's so scared.
Read it. He gets really scared by the water. Mama!
Ready? 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 1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
Hug him.
Good boy!
That's his first time?
Poor thing.
Alright, Momo's turn. Momo's turn.
Was that fun? Yay!
Good boy!
He wants some more.
So scared of me now. Momo, you wanna go? Raider, come here.
Go find Daddy, Raider. Raider, go find Daddy. Go find Daddy. Go, go, go.
Raider, come here. Good boy.
You wanna go get Raider?
He's so sad.
He's scared.
See his legs? Like, I don't know. So he's just upset.
Go Raider.
He's really mad. He doesn't like one now.
Go Raider.
No, maybe he likes it. Maybe he wants to go back in.
Go bite him.
Oh, here Raider. Oh.
No. I'm so scared of one now.
Oh.
Hey, I think Momo wants to go.
I know.
Can you throw it?
My turn, my turn.
Can you throw him in?
Well, she just threw him in earlier.
Wait, she said yeah, right?
Yeah, she said
No, no. Can I throw him up too?
Oh.
No, dude, don't hit the bricks.
Oh, poor thing.
Oh shit.
Momo!
Good boy.
Okay, oh my gosh, he's so funny.
Momo.
Momo.
I threw him in.
Are they all mad?
I ran and jumped and went.
Raider. He's so mad. He hates the water.
Oh, he does? He does?
This is his first time in the pool. You're the corny bastard.
No, I just...
Well, we're gonna get
Try dragging
Dip him in the hot water. Oh, yeah.
There.
Ow.